What up, people? This is Bunjo. Yeah, look at these pretty little flowers, huh? Ooh, they grow kind of cool, huh? No, but the mailman, the post office man, he just informed me that I have mail in Trogear, which I'm assuming is a drone. So I'm walking to Trogear on this beautiful hot day in March, and I'm gonna go pick up my mail sent from, I already know the guy that sent it, Jamar. Shout out to Jamar from California, my favorite Jewish Mexican on the planet. Love that guy, the beautiful Jufro, rocking with his little Mexican fucking accent. I love that guy. Yeah, so here I am, and I'm just walking, and when I get to the post office and when I open it, I'll do an unboxing and all that stuff. And don't forget to watch the podcast every Monday and Friday. My reaction videos that are live on Wednesdays on my channel, and donate to my GoFundMe. What else am I missing? Oh yeah, and buy a damn t-shirt at www.thisisbunjo.com. Check out the Bud Light. It's for women, huh? Women beer? This is the Bunjo show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G-O-O-O. This is Bunjo show. What up, people? I just got back from Trogear to get my package, and this package is from my favorite Mexican on the planet, Jamar. Look how this guy's sitting. Look at this guy. Look how he's sitting on the railing. Look at this guy. Curiosity killed the cat, they say, right? No. He almost jumped off, sorry. So let's open this. They already opened it at the border. It cost about $75 for me to pay the duties on it. So I know this is gonna sound like a bad complaint, but if you guys ever send me a package, like a picture, like even art, like fan art and stuff, I like that kind of shit, like draw me and Hitler blowing each other. That's pretty funny to me, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, just remember to mark it as a gift, because if it's a gift, I don't have to pay duty. And I mean, money's tight, you know what I mean? Money's tight. So yeah, they opened this package up already, or unless Jamar did. I don't know if Jamar did, but I guess we'll unbox it. This is what kind of drone it is. It's a SIMREX, has GPS, real-time video image transmission quadcopter. So it's a quadcopter. And look at this. This looks like a pair of Jordans out of the suitcase. Michael Jordan shoes. They always. And here's comes with this. Comes with instructions. This time, I had a DJI Phantom. I flew it into a tree the first 10 seconds I had it because I didn't read the instructions. It just went zoom into the fucking light post and blew up everywhere. So that was a waste of money. That was the most money I spent on nothing. So what you get here is the drone itself, or the quadcopter, and it comes with a nice gimbal and all that stuff. The gimbal looks like it breaks easy, so don't get it because it's made out of plastic. Let's see this. So you get the I imagine, oh, you get the screwdriver in case you break something. You get the charging cables. You get the protectors. It goes on the end, and you get the old propellers. You get 2 sets of propellers, and I think they're both A and B because you got to put certain ones on certain sides. The battery pack's in there. Yeah, so this comes with 4 of the things. You just basically plug them into the end here, I think. But you have to get I think you have to get these off. Yes, yeah, you got to get those off like that. See, you got to get these little plastic things out and put them in. And I watched a video on this. So to get it to work, you kind of have to go like this, rotate it once this way until the 2 lights turn, and then you gotta rotate it again this way until the other two lights turn, and they all turn the same color. And that's basically it. I'll turn into pilot mode. I'll turn into a Tom Cruise from Top Gun as soon as possible. Today I got a live podcast, so I'm not gonna be flying this today. So that'll be next video. Hold on, get out of there. Get the fuck out of there, man. Go. Damn cats, man. These street cats, man. Tell ya, it's annoying to have these street cats, especially to get my little craquito sick, my little craqueñaza. Yeah. So basically, now you just put these on. Yeah, you see there's A and B's. A and B's. Make sure you put the A's on the B's. I mean the A's on the A's and the B's on the B's. And then you got these, and these basically just slide into here. Like that until they click. They're a little bit hard to do, but you just gotta use some thumb force, you know, that thumb power, you know, like what you like in the butthole. The girls love that in the butt. This is great. And so basically, and now let's see what these are. So it says B and A right on these things. So one package is A's and one package is B's for the propellers. Yeah, for the chopper wings. So you get the two B's, and it's important that you put the A's on the A's and the B's on the B's. And usually they go kitty corner, like the B's will go on here like this, like that bone, and then like this, and you just twirl them, and then you get the A's out, and you twirl these babies on. And basically, you got yourself a chopper. A copper. The copper's a punk ass cop. I don't know what's going on here. Let's see what the heck? I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know why they won't go on the A's. I'm having difficulty with the A's. Oh, there it is. Wanna know why I was having difficulties? Because I was spinning them backwards. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty, baby boys. And there's the final. And then you gotta, I'm sure you gotta charge it up. Charge it up. Charge it up. I don't think it comes with a helipad. No, it doesn't. But yeah, and this is basically what it looks like. It's pretty cool, right, guys? Thank you, Jamar. This is an amazing gift. I'm not going to give you a blowy or anything like that, but I'm just going to give you a thank you. And hopefully you pop on the live podcast tonight. That'd be dope. Adios, amigos. This is Bunjo. Remember, if you want to send a gift just like Jamar did, hit me on Instagram at Thisisbunjo. Or go. And hit me on Instagram at Thisisbunjo. Or buy a t-shirt and support your boy and buy a t-shirt at www.thisisbunjo.com. And you can also hit me on my GoFundMe and donate to my PayPal, to my GoFundMe page, or just straight to my PayPal, which is thisisbunjo@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and let's get it.